Hello, this is Dr. Sarita Prashant Patil from Sanjay Gadhavat University, Kolhapur. Today let us see the divergence and curl of electric and magnetic field. Students, today here we are going to see what is the meaning of divergence and what is the meaning of curl in the perspective of electric and magnetic field. So as you see in this particular picture, here there is a charge at the center and these are the arrows shown emerging out of the charge. So these arrows actually indicates the electric field lines. So here electric field is written. We know that whenever there is a charge, it has electric field in its vicinity. Up to certain distance, it has its electric field strength, and this electric field is represented by electric field lines. So whenever it is a positive charge, electric lines are pointed away from the charge, and whenever there is a negative charge, you see electric field lines are pointing in a inward direction towards the negative charge. So actually this is the picture of how electric field emitted out by a charge or associated with a charge is shown with the help of electric field lines. But how then it is connected with the divergence? Already we have seen this particular law, which is called as a Gauss law. Here this operator is called as a del, and this del dot, it indicates the divergence of this particular vector E. So the entire term is called as a divergence of electric field, and it is equal to rho. Rho is the charge density and epsilon 0 is the permittivity. So this particular, in this equation, this particular del dot E represents a divergence of electric field. What do you mean by divergence? So electric field lines, they are diverging out. They are either moving away from the charge or they are moving towards the charge. But here, from all these electric field lines, it is seen that they are not intersecting with each other. They are away from each other. So if you consider electric field lines associated with either positive charge or negative charge, they are away from each other, they will never meet. So these are all diverging away from the positive charge, and therefore divergence of electric field in electrostatic. What do you mean by electrostatic? Electrostatic means these charges are at static position, they are not in a motion. They are called as static charges, and electric field generated by this particular static charges is called as electrostatic field. So in electrostatic field, the divergence of electric vector, it has a certain value, and that value is given by charge density. Obviously, depending upon the number of charges per unit volume, per unit area, the electric field strength of that particular area will be defined. So divergence of electric field exists. It has a non-zero value. However, I have shown one more expression here which indicates the curl of electric field. So this is again a del operator, then there is a cross sign. So this is a sign like a multiplied sign, and then again electric field vector. So this particular del along with this cross sign, it is called as a curl of any vector. So here vector is the electric field vector. So curl of electric field vector is equal to 0, is always 0 in electrostatic field. Why this is so? Because as just I have explained that electric field lines, they never meet each other, they never form a loop. So if these lines, if they form a loop, then only curl of that vector has a certain value. However, the nature of electric field lines observed here is a diverging nature. They are moving away from each other, they never intersect each other, or we can say that they never form a loop, and therefore loop formed by an electric field vector, that is curl of electric field vector is 0. Now let us see the same two divergence and curl operations for magnetic field. Now this is the picture for magnetic field. We know that whenever we consider a magnet, it has two poles. So any magnetic material, it always has two poles, north pole and south pole. Monopole, magnetic monopole does not exist, that is known to us. Now let us come to the point that how magnetic field is represented by this particular magnet. So again here also magnetic field is represented by magnetic field lines shown here. So magnetic field lines are emerging out of the N pole, and these magnetic field lines, they are forming a loop and then they are entering into the S pole. So here though in this picture it is seen that these are moving away, however these particular lines afterwards they will go here, they will come back and enter into the S pole. So all the lines whichever are shown here, they will form a loop, and therefore looking at the diagram itself, looking at the nature of magnetic field lines itself, we can conclude that the curl of magnetic field has a certain value, it is a non-zero number. So here del cross B is equal to mu 0 J. This particular expression you can derive or will derive in Ampere's law. It indicates that magnetic field lines are in a loop form. However, they are not in a diverging form as like electric field, and therefore divergence of magnetic field is always is equal to 0. So if we logically think about the electric field lines from static charges and magnetic field lines from these particular north and south poles, it is seen that the curl of electric field is 0 because these lines, they never form a loop. However, in case of magnetic field, the magnetic field lines, they form a loop and therefore their divergence is 0. However, curl of B has a certain value, it's a non-zero value and is actually mu 0 J. So this is all about the divergence and curl of electric field and magnetic field. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.